The following video provides an installation overview of the Racing Optics patented multi-layer tearaway protection film for Jeep Wranglers. Please note that an average installation should take between 15 and 30 minutes. It is recommended to have 2 people install this product. To ensure the installation of the film on the windshield is as contaminant-free as possible, clear all dust and debris from your working area. Make sure all garage doors are closed. If you have a ceiling fan or ventilation fan, please turn it off. Be sure that you have the proper tools and supplies for the installation. You will need a spray bottle, paper towels, and a squeegee. Your supplied installation kit includes the spray bottle and squeegee, as well as a pre-mixed installation solution. Before you install Racing Optics multi-layer windshield film, start by cleaning and prepping the front section of the vehicle and the windshield. If the windshield is cracked or contains large rock chips, we recommend replacing the windshield prior to installation. Any imperfections in the windshield will be magnified when the film is installed. Install the Racing Optics Jeep protection sticker to the driver's side of the windshield. Be sure to write the date of installation on the sticker so you know when it's time to remove a layer. It is recommended to remove a layer every 6 months to ensure optimal performance. Failure to do so may jeopardize the product's effectiveness. Apply solution to the hood of the Jeep. This will help to keep the film in place when removing the liner for installation. The film needs to be liner side up. Next, thoroughly apply solution to the windshield, making sure there are no dry spots on the glass. Remove the liner from the film. The liner will be marked with a sticker. Once the liner has been removed, coat the film with the installation solution. Be sure to have plenty of solution on the film and glass. Check to ensure there are no dry spots. With the help of a second person, take the film from the hood of the Jeep to the windshield. There should be roughly a 1/4 inch gap all the way around the windshield. If you need to reposition the film substantially, make sure to apply more installation solution. The adhesive can be damaged if the film is dry. Take your squeegee and make one pass through the center of the windshield. This will keep the film in place on the windshield. Now, make several passes with the squeegee to remove all of the water in between the film and the glass. Go to the other side of the windshield and repeat this process. From inside the Jeep, inspect the windshield to ensure all of the water has been removed. If there are any areas that contain water, squeegee the water out. Go around the entire edge of the film with a squeegee wrapped in a new paper towel. This will remove any water from the edges of the film. If there are any areas that bubble or pop up, simply wait 3 to 5 minutes and allow the film to naturally dry. Then, take your squeegee wrapped in a new paper towel and push the film down. Do your touch-up cleaning. Let the film cure for about an hour, and you are ready to go. Note that in colder climates, additional time may be required for the film to cure before your vehicle is ready to drive. Full curing time typically takes 24 hours. Depending on humidity and weather conditions, curing time may take up to 96 hours, and in some cases, it may take up to 1 week for the film to cure 100%. Each layer of Racing Optics film can last up to 6 months or longer, subject to climate and road conditions and their effect on the film. Going through a car wash is not recommended until 7 to 10 days of curing time. If you need more information about installing Racing Optics Jeep Wrangler film, please visit racingopticsjeep.com and fill out a contact form with your inquiry. One of our representatives will be in touch with you. Thank you for choosing Racing Optics for your windshield protection.